Alright man, what's going on y'all, man? Welcome to the vlog, man. It's really early, dude. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Trying to get up, get ready, man. We're about to head out to the first Cars and Coffee of the summer. About to go get the car washed, man. Meet up with a couple of my homies. And we're gonna get rolling out, man. So let's go ahead and go. Guys, so we finally made it to Cars and Coffee. There is a shit ton of people, a lot of crazy cars, everything, man. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can in today's video, man. But let's just get to the cars, man. Right behind me, we have one of my friend's Supras, man. It is insanely crazy. It makes over 1,000+ horsepower. We just actually got it wrapped recently. I want to say it's a factory new M3 color. So yeah, check it out. This is hands down one of the best Supras I've seen, and I'm not just saying that because this is one of my homies and one of my friends, man. Seriously, man, this build is insane. Almost everything is custom on the car, and Fifth Gear actually was one of the people that tuned the car, man. So right now I'm actually driving this insane right-hand drive Supra with my friends, man. This almost stalled it there. This shit's really crazy, man. I'm really excited to see what it does, man. So let's go.
Alright, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, man. First I want to give a huge shout out, man, to everybody that came out, man, to the first Cars and Coffee of the summer. That was huge. It was great to see everybody. A lot of new builds, just a lot of crazy stuff too, man. Stuff I have not seen around Nashville or just Tennessee in general ever. It was dope to see a lot of new stuff, which was really cool, man. I can't wait to see what more the summer brings out. That's really exciting. I do have a huge surprise for the channel. I've been saving for a while, and I have really been trying to take this, vlogging seriously and try and make sure I'm putting out something, weekly. And this surprise is actually going to help advance the channel and, help me take my photography and videography to the next step. If you can't already, guess by now, I'm pretty sure you have a good idea, but that'll actually be what I'll be unveiling in my next video. Also, too, I'm working on getting a new MacBook. That's a huge part of this process. It sucks when I can't put out, I film the quality, but I can't actually upload it because my computer won't hold or process, that type of video, unfortunately, which sucks. But those are the next two things on my list, man. So I'm really working my ass off to try to, speed up the process, man. And I appreciate everybody that's been supporting the videos, even with the quality that I'm uploading them right now. Man, I thank y'all. That's really dope. I appreciate that a whole lot. Thank y'all for having faith in me and enjoying my videos. Thank you to everybody that's subscribing. That means a lot to me. I'm on the road to trying to get 500 subscribers and 1,000 from there. I really want to try to do bigger things with the channel, more car events, even just features as well too. I'm definitely, with the summer here, be looking at doing a lot of features, car features and everything like that, and trying to get out to more, more events, not just events local to Tennessee. There's a lot of dope events up north, like S3 down in Florida as well too. There are events down there, and even on the West Coast, man. Just getting out there and really just exploring and seeing the other side, to the car culture, man. Like I said, I want to take y'all along for that ride, man. I'm really excited for this next video to show y'all. I want to thank y'all again for watching, man, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, man. Stay tuned and peace out, man. Thank you.